Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll be covering connecting Woocommerce on your WordPress site to your PayPal account. First off, we need to make sure that we're logged in to the website. Make sure you can tell if you're logged in by having the black bar at the top that says welcome and then your name. It also gives you a couple of different areas that you can click on. What you want to be is in the dashboard, so you would click over the little clock like I have right here. Brings up dashboard. I click that. We'll go into the back end. What we want to be is in WooCommerce down in settings. We want to be in payments. We're using PayPal checkout, so we want to click on manage. And then we're going to click on set up or link an existing PayPal account. That's going to be the easiest one to use. Most people have a pre-existing account, so all you have to do is you click on that. We're going to connect our pre-existing, so I'm going to because I'm on my computer, it takes me to my account. It fills in, my browser fills in my account and my password. I click log in. Allow PayPal to connect to your account with WooCommerce developers. Click agree. Thanks for signing up. Go back to your WooCommerce. So it's asking if this is the redirect. I'm going to click, that's my site, redirect me. And you've just connected the two, so you now should be able to take PayPal payments through WooCommerce on your website. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. Hopefully it'll help you. We'll have other tutorials coming up in the future. Thank you very much.